Hello, kids. Welcome to the farm. These are the farm animals. This is a cow. Cow. Cow gives milk. Moo, moo. This is a buffalo. Buffalo. Buffalo gives milk. This is a goat. Goat. Goat eats grass. Meh, meh. This is a sheep. Sheep. Sheep gives wool. Bar, bar. This is a horse. Horse. Horse runs fast. This is a donkey. Donkey. Donkey helps us. This is a pig. Pig. Pig likes mud. Oink, oink. This is a dog. Dog. Dog guards the farm. Bow, bow. This is a cat. Cat. Cat catches mice. Meow, meow. This is a hen. Hen. Hen gives eggs. Cluck, cluck. Very good, kids. So, what did you learn today? Yes, we learned about farm animals. Cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, horse, donkey, pig, dog, cat and hen. Great job! Bye-bye. See you again.